The Bahamas, a name synonymous with paradise, crystal clear waters, pristine white sand beaches, and in the heart of it all, the Sandals Royal Bahamian. It's a resort with a story to tell, a story that whispers of royalty and whispers of escape. The resort's roots go deep, back to the glamorous days of the Duke and Duchess of Windsor. They found solace on these shores. They danced under the Bahamian stars. The resort still carries this legacy. It's in the air, it's in the architecture, it's in the ambiance. The Sandals Royal Bahamian is more than a resort. It's a time capsule. It allows you to step back into a bygone era. It lets you experience the allure that captivated royalty. But it also adds a modern twist. It blends history with contemporary luxury. The Bahamas are known for their beauty, and the Sandals Royal Bahamian sits on a prime piece of this paradise, Cable Beach. It's a stretch of coastline that dreams are made of. The sand is like powdered sugar. The water is 1,000 shades of blue. The resort is nestled amidst lush greenery. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze. Exotic flowers add bursts of color. The air is thick with the scent of salt and sea. It's the kind of place that makes you want to breathe deep. It makes you want to savor every moment. Everywhere you look, there's a picture-perfect scene. The gentle lapping of the waves, the sun dipping below the horizon in a blaze of glory. It's nature's own masterpiece. The Sandals Royal Bahamian doesn't just exist in this paradise, it enhances it, it frames it, it makes you appreciate it even more. You arrive, you step out of the car, and you're hit with a wave of sensations. The warmth of the sun on your skin, the sound of steel drums in the distance, the sight of vibrant bougainvillea cascading down white walls. You're greeted with a smile. A cool drink is pressed into your hand. The scent of tropical flowers hangs heavy in the air. It's a welcome that washes over you. It tells you that you've arrived somewhere special. The lobby is open and airy. Sunlight streams in. It illuminates polished marble floors. It highlights intricate details in the decor. You feel the weight of the world lifting from your shoulders. You're ready to embrace island time. You're ready to let the tranquility of the resort wash over you. The rooms at the Sandals Royal Bahamian are more than just places to sleep. They're sanctuaries. They're designed for relaxation and indulgence. Each room is a delicate dance between comfort and elegance. You sink into plush bedding. You run your hand over smooth, high, thread-count sheets. You step out onto your private balcony. You're met with breathtaking views. Maybe it's the turquoise expanse of the ocean. Maybe it's the lush tropical gardens. Every detail is carefully considered, from the plush bathrobes to the well-stocked minibar. It's about anticipating your needs before you even know you have them. It's about allowing you to truly let go and unwind. It's about experiencing luxury that envelops you completely. A culinary journey, flavors of the Caribbean and beyond. Food, it's more than sustenance, it's an experience. And at the Sandals Royal Bahamian, the culinary offerings are as diverse as the island itself. There are flavors to tantalize every palate. There are aromas to awaken every sense. You can savor the freshest seafood, snapper, grouper, conch, all plucked from the ocean and prepared with Caribbean flair. You can indulge in international cuisine, French, Italian, Asian. Each dish is a masterpiece. The atmosphere in each restaurant is unique. Some are elegant and refined, others are casual and laid back. But they all share one thing in common, a dedication to culinary excellence. Every meal is a journey. It's a journey of the senses. It's a journey that satisfies not just your hunger but your soul. Paradise Unveiled. Activities and adventures. The beauty of the Sandals. Royal Bahamian is in its versatility. It's a place where you can do as much or as little as you like. It caters to every whim. It caters to every desire. You can spend your days lounging by the pool, cocktail in hand, sunlight warming your skin, the gentle murmur of conversations washing over you. Or you can dive into the turquoise depths, explore the vibrant coral reefs, swim alongside colorful fish. The resort offers a myriad of activities, from snorkeling and scuba diving to tennis and yoga. There's something for everyone. You can even take a day trip to explore Nassau. Experience the vibrant culture and history of the Bahamian capital. Whatever you choose, boredom is never an option. The Sandals Royal Bahamian ensures that every day is an adventure waiting to be discovered. Serenity on the Sand, the private island experience. Off the coast of the main resort lies a secluded oasis, the Sandals Royal Bahamian's private island. This is where you go to escape, to truly disconnect, to find tranquility. The island is a world away from the bustle of the main resort, accessible only by a short boat ride. You're greeted by pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters that shimmer and dance in the sunlight. A gentle breeze whispers through the palm trees. You can spend your days lounging on the beach, sipping cocktails at the island bar, savoring a delectable lunch at the private restaurant. Or you can simply wander along the shore, your toes sinking into the warm sand, the sound of the waves your only companion. The private island is the epitome of secluded luxury. It's a place to reconnect with yourself. It's a place to simply be. Sandals Royal Bahamian, an unforgettable escape. The Sandals Royal Bahamian is more than just a resort, it's an experience, it's a journey into the heart of Bahamian paradise. It's a place where history whispers on the breeze, where luxury is woven into every detail. You leave feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, reconnected. You carry a piece of the Bahamas with you, the memory of the turquoise waters, the warmth of the Bahamian sun, the gentle rhythm of island life. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left. A place you long to return to, a place that embodies the very essence of a luxurious Caribbean escape, the Sandals Royal Bahamian, a place where paradise is more than just a word, it's a reality. And that's just the beginning of what Sandals Royal Bahamian has to offer. We've covered a lot today, but there's so much more to explore. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on those notifications because you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Until next time, keep wandering and keep embracing the journey. This is Glen, signing off from the beautiful Bahamas. See you in the next adventure.